Good morning, students. Welcome to history class. Dear students, please note this syllabus for the first time examination. 2 history lessons, lesson 1 and 2, and 1 civics lesson. 3 lessons will be there for the examination. Okay, it is the last lesson, third lesson. Already we have learned 1 civics lesson. Okay, in the month of April, May, and then we have learned about the Aryans, the Indus Valley civilization. Now it is about the Aryans. So in this video, we are going to learn about the origin of the Aryans, means advent of the Aryans and their original home. And then early settlements of the Aryans in India. 2 topics we will learn. Okay, origin of the Aryans. The origin of the Aryans as well as the background of the people who settled in India is full of controversies. Historians or the scholars are not able to reach a conclusion regarding the early or the original settlement of the or original home of the Aryans. Okay, there are different views. Okay. Some historians believe that Aryans were the natives of India. Some of the historians of Indians are believing that the Aryans are the natives of India only, from India only. Others, like Bal Gangadhar Tilak. This picture shows Bal Gangadhar Tilak. He was a popular, leader of the Indian freedom movement from Ratnagiri district of Maharashtra state. In class 10th, you will learn about Bal Gangadhar Tilak, the role played by Tilak in the freedom movement. So, according to Tilak, Tilak studied Rigveda and Send Avastha. Rigveda, we know that Rigveda, the oldest testament. And what is Send Avastha? The sacred book of Zoroastrianism contains the teachings of Zoroaster on religion. After studying Rigveda and Send Avastha, Tilak concluded that the original home of the Aryans was the Arctic region. According to Tilak, the Aryans came to India from the Arctic region. Then after what happened? A.C. Das, Abhinav Chandra Das, an Indian historian, tried to prove that the original home of the Aryans was India. According to him, they lived in the Saptasindhu or Punjab and migrated to other parts of India. So according to A.C. Das, and Professor K. Munshi, the Aryans originally belonged to the Saptasindhu or Punjab. They point, this point of view was put forward by A.C. Das in his book Rigvedic India. A.C. Das was a famous Indian historian, and in his book Rigvedic India, he says that all the plants, rivers, crops and animals mentioned in Rigveda and other ancient books were found in ancient Punjab, according to A.C. Das. He said Aryans were the original inhabitants of India. So what is the point he forward for that? But this theory is not convincing. But other historians rejected his theory because, if the Aryans had been indigenous inhabitants of the Sub-Sindhu region area, there would have been no need for them to desert such a fertile area and go to other parts. That is the reason. Listen, A.C. Das and his theory. Swami Dayananda Saraswati believed that Tibet was the home of the Aryans. According to Tilak, according to Dayananda Saraswati, according to A.C. Das. And now Professor Muller, this picture, a German born, famous historian, Professor Max Muller, the German scholar, believed that the Aryans came to India from Central Asia. He gave 2 reasons in support of this theory. This is the most accepted theory regarding the original home of the Aryans. He gave 2 reasons. The first wave of migration from the steppes, Central Asia, had started around 1500 BC. Steppe, the regions, steppes, then steppes, Central Asia. Okay. The Aryans bore strong resemblance to bands of warlike people of Central Asia. The Central Asian theory holds the origin of the Romans, Celts, types of people, Indians, Greeks, and Persians from the same stock. Okay, type. Okay, origin. Stock means origin. Many historians agree with the Central Asian theory of Max Muller. Their reasons for accepting the theory are: in ancient times, the land in Asia Minor, the western peninsula of Asia, okay, was fertile, which made it suitable for agriculture and domestication of animals. Okay, then the stone inscriptions discovered in Asia Minor prove that the Aryan gods like Indra, Varuna were worshipped in the ancient times. Some inscriptions they found from this area. Okay, then Asia Minor is equidistant from Europe and India. The flora and fauna and objects referred to the Rig Veda were found in the Asia Minor. Regarding the plant and the animals mentioned the Rig Veda were found in the Asia Minor also. Biologists noticed the genetic trace, that is DNA test of the steppe people of Central Asia, and found similar trace in 35% of the people in North India. Thus, they conclude that the Indo-Aryans migrate from Central Asia. Okay. However, the issue of the origin of the Aryans is still being disputed. Okay. Historians have different views regarding the original home of the Aryans. Okay, according to Tilak, we have learned. According to Swami Dayananda Saraswati, according to A.C. Das, and the most accepted theory regarding the original home of the Aryan is the theory put forward by Professor Max Muller, a German scholar. And why his theory is acceptable, we have learned about the various points put forward by great scholar, no? Okay. About now the early settlements, on the basis of the names of the rivers and mountains mentioned in the Rig Veda, it is believed that the Aryans entered India from Afghanistan and settled in the valley of the Kabul River and the Punjab. Kabul River, an important river in Afghanistan, no? Okay. They called this northwestern part of India Sapta Sindhu, the land of 7 rivers, namely Sindhu or Indus, Ravi, Bia, Satluj, Jhelum, Chenab and Saraswati. This region covers the present areas of eastern Afghanistan, Punjab and parts of western Uttar Pradesh. Later, this region was named Brahmavarta, or the land of gods. Okay. So please remember then, because the composition of Rig Veda took place here on the banks of river Saraswati, which they considered most sacred. Original home of the Aryans, no? And their early settlements. Brahmavarta, or the land of Brahma, Aryavarta, okay, this work. From the Brahmavarta region, they spread to Aryavarta. Already we have learned. Early Vedic period, later Vedic period, Sapta Sindhu, Brahmavarta, Aryavarta. Okay, please remember early settlements of the Aryans. You can write Sab-Sindhu or the Brahmavarta, Aryavarta, the land of Aryan. Okay, so please revise. Thank you.